Finding inspiration for healthy dinners can be hard sometimes, especially when you're trying to eat locally. Thankfully today, I've got my hands on one of the most sustainable caught seafoods you can get on the market right now. These Karumba prawns from the Gulf of Carpentaria tick all the boxes. They're healthy, delicious, and they're a great addition to your menu. Karumba Banana Prawns recently won the Marine Stewardship Council's Best Sustainable Seafood Product, and it's no surprise. The company behind them, Austral Fisheries, were the first banana prawn fishery in the world to be certified carbon neutral. These Karumba prawns are super easy to cook with, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Today we're making a Sri Lankan prawn curry with roti bread and coconut sambal. Let's get into it. Today we're going to be serving this curry a little bit differently, with a roti made from scratch. Okay, we're starting the recipe by actually making the garnish that we'll be putting on at the end. Adding a little bit of coconut oil, and then the secret ingredient in any Sri Lankan dish is curry leaves. They're amazingly fragrant and really add a lot of flavour to the dish. And then we're going to add some shredded coconut to this. This will cook very quickly, so we want to move this around. And then in with the curry leaves. So the first steps of this curry is we're going to just cook out half an onion, just finely diced. Into the pan. And when we're cooking the onion, ideally we don't want any colour on it, so nice and low. So while the onion's cooking, we're going to add some ginger, some garlic, and a red chilli. And some curry leaves. And then this becomes the fragrant part of the dish. Okay, we're adding a tablespoon of Sri Lankan curry powder. And then a teaspoon of turmeric. And just stir them in and cook that out for a further 2 minutes. You can start to see the curry leaves are changing colour. We're going to start adding our liquid. Okay, we're starting with a tin of coconut milk. And a little bit of fish sauce. This just brings the background flavour together, and a couple of kaffir lime leaves. These get pulled out at the end, almost like a bay leaf for Asian cooking. Then we bring that up to the boil. Once it's at the boil, we're going to add a little bit of palm sugar. Like any good curry, we're just going to balance it a little bit. And the juice of 1 lime. Okay, our sauce is ready. It's beautiful and fragrant. We're just going to start putting our prawns in. They'll sit in there for about 5 minutes. They don't need any more. I love these prawns because they're full of omega-3 and 6s. They've got 0 fat and very low carbs. Okay, there we have it. This is our beautiful Karumba prawn curry with roti and some coconut sambal. We're just going to finish this dish off by adding our toasted coconut and the crispy curry leaves.